Hello, today I'd like to talk to you about the Hoover vacuum cleaner and my Bissell carpet shampooer. If you've got pets, and you've got hair, and you've got cat litter, and you've got potty on the floor, I've got the solution for you. Well, it looks like we've got some potty on the floor, and uh-oh. Is that a cat litter box? Looks like it. Looks like cat litter all over the floor. Oh yeah, we've got cats. And we've got cat litter. The first step in preparing our carpet to be cleaned is to use the vacuum cleaner. This is a Hoover Windtunnel Pro Pet, and with this vacuum cleaner we're going to be able to get off all the stuff from on top of the carpet, not necessarily out of the carpet, as we're going to use the Bissell carpet shampooer for that. I'm going to turn off the volume. There's nothing wrong with your volume, it's just that the vacuum cleaner is going to make a whole lot of noise and it's not going to really sound very nice. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Alright, so now we've gotten everything off of the carpet, we still have the issue of getting potty out of the carpet. Now, the stand that we're looking at right here is very common. Dog needs to go outside at night, sound asleep. Dog either doesn't try to wake me up or I just don't wake out of sound sleep. So, Warrior comes out here and potties on the carpet. The vacuum cleaner did not do anything. It's not the fault of the vacuum cleaner. It's just not up to the task of removing the potty out of the carpet. That's where the Bissell carpet shampooer comes into play. Okay, we're ready to begin. Again, I'm going to turn off the volume because all you're going to hear is the vacuum cleaner motor, and it's really loud. I'm working alone, so being a one-man operation, I've got to set the camera as best I can and get as much coverage from this one angle. Apologize for the lack of complete coverage. There should be enough to see what I'm doing that you'll be able to do this at home. Okay, well, we've gone through and have cleaned the carpets. The carpet is going to be quite wet at this point, and what you're looking at is the reservoir bucket is now at capacity. It's quite a bit darker than the clear water with the shampoo in solution, and that's okay because this is all the stuff that was in the carpet but is no longer in the carpet, which is why you are allergic to things inside, whether you've got animal or you've got other environmental contamination by using this Bissell Windtunnel Pro Heat 2X or another kind of carpet shampooer. This is what you need to get stuff out of your carpet. A vacuum cleaner is enough, as that only takes stuff off of the carpet, not out of the carpet. Okay, I'm going to zoom in on the reservoir tank. Now what's going to happen with your reservoir tank on this Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution is that once you start using the carpet shampooer, there's going to be residue left in the reservoir tank that you can't get out of, not very easily. And let me show you what that looks like. Okay, my camera's not going to give you a very good view of it, but what was originally a pristine tank, as in crystal clear, is quite dirty and no longer is transparent. There's a lot of residue left over from the cat litter, from the dog potty, from the fur, from the contamination that was found in the carpet prior and current. To get the potty out of the carpet, you're going to need the right chemicals. You're going to want to get the Bissell carpet cleaning solution for pets. You're going to use a very small amount of this. Do not use the full cup. Even though it's recommended, you can use less and vacuum more, but if you add a lot of this carpet cleaning solution to your carpet, you will find that it's actually difficult to get back out. Less is more in this case. Alright, let's begin. Let's add some of the carpet cleaning solution to the water reservoir, and then we're going to add water almost to the top. I don't use an exact measurement, I just know that a small amount goes a long ways. So now that we've added carpet cleaning solution, let's go ahead and add water to the soap. What I have found over the last 2 years using this machine is that I can go over the carpet again and again and again and still have to remove more soap and more deposits that are left in the carpet. The carpet is really very old. I've been in this apartment for 4 years. It wasn't treated very well when I first got it, and now I'm trying to get more of what was left in it out of it, and it's just not really been very effective. So now we've added enough water to the soap, and the bucket will look a little bit cloudy. That's okay, because we've got the soap, we've got water. I used hot water because more dirt will dissolve in hot water than in cold water. Okay, what I'm going to show you right now is the dirty side of carpet cleaning. We have our Bissell reservoir, and now I'm going to show you how it's disassembled, because the instructions, although they're pretty decent, but at the same time it took me a minute to figure this out. The bottom has a retaining ring. This, the first time you go to try to break this off, it's going to be difficult. You're going to struggle with it, and it's not going to be a lot of fun. This part is even less fun, because when it's installed from the factory, it's got a very tight grip. Now you're going to want to grab the orange part by the top, like so, so that when you pull it out, it comes out in one clean motion. Now this thing is dirty. It's nasty from the potty, from the cat litter, from the dust, from the pollen, from dirt that I've tracked in. The bottom line is, this is really dirty and nasty. This is the one thing the instructions and Bissell and any other carpet cleaner will not tell you about. This is the dirty part. Okay, now that we've filled the reservoir tank from the reverse side, we can shake it, we can stick our hand in here, maybe. It's really small. And what we're trying to do is trying to get some of the dirt and the nastiness out of here. Because when you go to clean the carpet again, you're going to look at the bucket to try to get an idea of just how dirty it is. And if the bucket itself is already dirty, you're not going to really know if you're getting a lot more out or if it's just making a bad situation worse. This is the piece that I usually take and put into a bucket with hot water, some soap. I actually really like using automotive soap because not only does it get all the grunge off of the piece, but it rinses clean. So this Meguiar's product, not only is it good for your car, it's good for your carpet cleaner. Okay, this piece has been rinsed off. It's really not a whole lot cleaner, but at the same time, when I go to use it again, it's going to function. What will happen if you do not clean this piece, and this is really important, this piece right here, as you can tell, it has the potential of getting stuck. And until I actually figured out how to break the seal on getting this piece out, it actually got stuck. And so what will happen is the reservoir bucket will fill beyond its capacity, and all of a sudden you start having problems with trying to extract stuff out of your carpet that you wouldn't normally have problems with. When you take this out, wash it, clean it, use some kind of soap on it, the functionality of your carpet cleaner will be restored. Okay, another part of the Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution is this front plate. Now, I can't really tell in this picture if I'm showing you enough, but the front piece is full of, well, it's full of fur. My lovely kitty cats have decided that they're going to shed all over the place, and now I've got to try to get this out of here. This little plastic thing I bought at Walmart for about $3, and it came as a package of 2. Bissell does include a cleaning tool, but as far as trying to get cat fur out of here, that tool isn't really terribly useful. Now, what is really useful about this tool that comes from Walmart is that it's got a bunch of barbs, it's thin plastic, and when you go to insert it, see, all the fur is coming off and getting stuck to the barbs. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's much better. There, look at that. See, I've got cat litter in here, I've got fur in here. I really just have, I mean, it's, it's what you're going to encounter in real life. You don't have to worry about Hollywood, you don't have to worry about green screen, you don't have to worry about artificial reality. In your home, whether you live in the high-end rent of town or you live in the ghetto like I do, you're going to have this kind of problem. And this is how you're going to solve it. Well, that was my remote. I'm hoping that it didn't just short out on me, because I just fell into the damn water. So, what we have left is a clean, or a much cleaner front plate for the carpet shampooer. Now, this is the part that is likely to drive any sort of spouse or roommate absolutely insane. When you go to clean the carpet shampooer, this is the kind of mess that you can expect left in your bathtub.